Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day. Today we are making delicious and savory chopped eggplants. To start off, cut the ends off your eggplants and cut them into strips. I'm using 3 whole eggplants. After you're finished chopping all of them, put them in a bowl. After putting all of them in a bowl, add some vegetable oil into the bowl and coat all of the eggplants with some of that oil. This is to keep the purple color of the eggplant after cooking. Put on some gloves and start mixing. Now, time to steam it. Place each eggplant piece with the skin down. Place something that blocks the water from coming in contact with the eggplant. Add each of these one by one until all your eggplant pieces are on the wok. Close the lid and let it steam while we prep the sauce. Thinly chop 3 cloves of garlic. After that, add it to a bowl. Next, chop your spring onions and coriander and place those in the bowl as well. Then add salt, soy sauce, chicken broth mix, sesame oil, and finally some spicy oil. Then mix them around. Have the eggplants steam for around 7 minutes. Now put them one by one on a plate. Make sure to have the skin part face up. Finally, add your sauce onto the eggplant. The great thing about this meal is that the eggplant stays purple, which is really beautiful and feels so much more appetizing. So that's it. That's how you make a delicious chopped eggplant which doesn't lose its color.